Oh, he's like sideways. Or what is this? Oh, look, that's the little heating thing. That's kind of cool. Ho, 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 ho.
Oh my god, he's freaking huge.
That's awesome.
Oh my god, he's big.
Get the paper off.
Oh my god.
That is awesome.
Wow, he's really big. Isn't he?
He is.
Use 2 hands. You're scaring it. Oh my god. He's shot. Don't make him jump.
He's fine.
Holy shit, he's big.
Oh, he's squealing. He's a little nervous.
Squealing?
Yeah. He's nervous. He's been in a box.
Holy.
Oh, he's big.
Oh my god, he's big.
What are you doing?
Okay. Hold him for a little while.
He's like clawing off of me.
Oh my god, he's big.
That's good. He's been in a box for a long time. He's real nervous. He's a little jumpy, so be careful.
Okay, I'm not going to drop it. Oh, he's cold too. He needs to get in his bed. Hi there. It's okay. Oh my god, his eyes are beautiful.
Let him sit on the seat thing.
What's his name?
Zeus.
Zeus.